we're back on this, the forge, the blast furnace. The blast furnace, I was told. I'm supposed to call it a blast furnace. Anyway, air goes in there, goes and up there. So what we wanted to do is put legs on. If we're smelting stuff like junk with a lot of dross, we can just drop it in. Just drop it in there and it'll come out the bottom into a saucy pan, like that. So if you want to stay around, that's what I'm doing. If you don't want to stay around, get the frick out of Dodge. Wherever Dodge is. He's back, so you can get rid of Rob's helmet because he doesn't like his helmet being tampered with. It's a simple like that. That's called using the blade. Right, there's our 4 legs. They're going to go on there like that. Well, we had quite a few comments about this. Somebody said that it would cost too much in coal. How much do a bottle of gas cost? Yeah, a bottle of gas costs probably about 35, 40 quid. So, that's still full. I haven't used any. So I don't know where he was coming from. Obviously, different bus. He's on a different bus to us. Or he just likes typing comments. Proving people wrong. You can't do it like that. It's got to be done like this. As if fuck. The thing is, you've got to stick to your scruples and do it the way you want to do it. Not the way somebody else wants you to do it. I think it'll work. It did work. So there's nothing else on the cards, you know what I mean? Mr. Abbey. I think that's going to burn me, so I'm going to look for a glove. I'm actually going to wear a fucking glove. This man is fucking ridiculous. Yep, I am. I'm just going to tack it, alright? I've done that about 1/4 inch down. So we can push that over there now. Bring out. That should sit there. You won't get me out, Carolina. Till the day I die. Till the day I die. Aye. Right, that's that done. That's the elongation ball. We're going to stick a file in and then just go like that. But it's got to be right. It's got to be right, you know, it's got to be right. Plus, you know, it can't leak. You don't want it coming out of there until you're good and ready. That, believe it or not, is the easy bit. The hard bit is welding it on the bottom of that. Get that in there squarish and put that on it that way. Then we gotta hit that with a weld, but we gotta sink it a little bit. Ooh, yeah. That's how I fucking feel. Straight away I can see we're going to need some sort of slight S-bend. So I don't want to be banging that bit, so I'm going to bang that bit. Just put a bit of a alright, all is approximately there. I want your dead bottom of the drum, you see. We got to weld that in there like that. Right, I made this a foot. I know you're not going to fill that up, so you're only there, but it's giving you plenty of grabbing room. I want that to fit down in there, be able to turn, and then come back up, which is going to engage them two pieces here, these two pieces here, these two bits of pipe here are bigger, so that fits in there. So that's going to be welded on the side. This is going to go down in, swing around, come back up under. Can't go that way. It can't fall out unless you really went absolutely fucking crazy. So please help me, I'm falling in love with you. Not you, you. See if I can get a tack on that. Yeah. Told you it was going to be a hurty one. They shouldn't fall out of there. I made sure that was on there. We're not wanting to fall off, are we? Hot, 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 hot. Where are you? Come back, Chuck. There you is. I over-welded this, considerably over-welded, because I don't want it to fall off, you see. If it fell off, it could do some copyright damage. It's the key to success. It goes in there, turns, and then comes out. But it can't fall, because that locks it in. Where are you? That locks it in, so I can do what the hell I want with it. So, what we're going to do, turn, lift it out, get it where you want it, pour it. But what I'm going to do is probably another little macrucker on there, so I can completely control everything. So I don't know if you want to see that closer. I've never seen it before, so it might be a one-off. I don't know. So I got 2 bits of bigger pipe. 2 bits of bigger pipe, about 20 mil, and then I cut them open and opened them so that a horseshoe. You know, it's new at the moment. It's a bit of a tweaking. There. It's not fucking rocket fucking science, is it? I did put a slight dimple there. Somebody said that it won't contain heat, but I don't understand what that meant, because it did what I wanted to do straight away. I melted alley, poured it, and that's it, I was finished. So I don't want it to hold heat. Once it's finished with, the quicker it goes cold, the better. Yeah, no? I'm a firm believer that people do comments without thinking about it, you know what I mean? They want to do it their way. I wouldn't have done it like that. I would have done it like this. Well, by all means, do it how you want to do it. There's nobody out there going to stop you doing what you want to do. Show me yours and I'll show you mine. A lid. Well, to do a lid is obviously a bit of piss, because all you want is 2 inches. 1 inch. Which is just, we all know how to make an inch, so let's not go and ask Vince. We all know how to make an inch, so that's a pretty quickie. So, along. Who said shut up? The cookie and the spooky eat all together, cookie. We'll take another call on Robert's family.